If you're like me and you have to water your geese and chickens multiple times during the day, and you have a problem with them freezing up like this. Okay, now this one here, they've got it lower. But here's a quick solution for that ice does not stick in a bucket and the bucket doesn't break. The inside of this is sprayed with cooking spray. And when it's sprayed with cooking spray, I don't know if you can see that. See how it comes loose? And the plastic bucket doesn't break. Unlike this one here, look at the bottom of it. See that? Look at the bottom of that one. You can see that better. See the bottom of that one? That one's got cooking spray in it. So when it freezes, it slides upward. This one here doesn't have the cooking spray in it. So when it freezes, it pushes the plastic downward, which cracks the bucket.